I had a very good week, and I hope you did too. Good morning, good morning. It is Friday, October 16th, the last day of the work week. And this week has pretty much flown by. It's gone by really quickly. And I had a very good week, and I hope you did. I want to say thank you. Thank you to my subscribers, my followers, my faithful and loyal friends on YouTube. I thank you for your comments. And I thank you for your support. As you watch this video, tell me if you have a favorite outfit. Thank you so much for watching.